Welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Sorry if you hear the baby, but he's playing in the other room. Today we are going to be making like a little meatball soup. My mom actually started making this for Gabe when he was a few months old and he really loves it. So I want to share it with you. I don't think it's anything like Italian wedding soup, but I don't know. I've never made it. So this is just how my mom makes it. This is how she taught me to make it. So if you want to see how to make it, then keep watching.